Very good morning, my dear children. Today we will be discussing workbook problems, division chapter, workbook problems. So all of you take page number 15. So, okay, I hope you all ready with your book now. I'll call out names. They only want to unmute. Others can keep your audio muted. Okay. So we can start. Let us start with the 15th page. Ameya, read the first question.
1 minute, ma'am.
Question number 1.
16 flowers are distributed equally among 4 groups. So each group gets dash flowers.
Yes. Ameya, please wait. Let me tell you one thing. My dear children, when we divide numbers, see, for example, here, 16 flowers are distributed equally among 4 groups. So, 16 divided by 4. Few numbers we know. Either 16 is coming in the table of 4. 16 is coming in the table of 4. Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. In that cases,
Yes, ma'am.
we don't want to follow all these steps. C, D, M, S, B. You can directly check the table and write the answer. From the multiplication fact, you know how to write the division fact. So it will be easy for you to divide. Which all numbers? You have to be thorough with the tables. Then only you can remember the table and understand. This number is coming in the table. This table. So it will be
Am I
easy
get
for
the
me to
answer?
divide like that. Here, if you are thorough with the table of 16, sorry,
Am I
table of
get
4, when you hear
the
16,
answer?
this is coming in the table of 4. So you don't want to follow all these steps. You can check the table of 4 and write the answer. Here,
Ma'am, option A 4.
so, yes. Here, in the table of 4, you can see 4 fours are 16. So you can write from this, you can write 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So 16 is divided into groups of 4. You got 4 groups. So the answer is A. Very good, Ameya. Next question to Mayasa. Please read second question.
Pens are distributed equally between 2 people. So each person gets dash pens, 4 pens.
Yes. In table of 2. 2 into what we get 8? 4.
4.
From this what we will write? We can write 8 divided by 2 is equal to
4.
4.
So question B, sorry, option B, you can write the bracket option B. Very good. Next, Vaishnav.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Vaishnav,
Yes, ma'am.
question number 3. Start reading.
A share of each student when 25 books are distributed equally among 5 students is dash books.
That means we have to find 25 divided by 5. Whether in
5.
the table of 5, 25 is coming.
Yes.
5 into what you will get 25?
5.
5 fives are 25. From this we can write 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So the answer is
5.
5.
5. Option C. Very good. Now next question to Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question.
The number that is divided is called the dividend.
Yes. The number that is divided, that means inside the bracket, we will say Dividend. Option
Dividend.
D, dividend. You can write here also, dividend. Dividend. Okay. Next question to Prarthana.
Division. The number that divides is called the divisor.
Yes. Again, option D, divisor. Very good. Both of
Thank
you,
you,
please
ma'am.
mute your audio.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, next question to Janvi.
Ma'am,
Next question.
the number that remains is called the
After division, what? After subtraction, we will get one number. For that, what we will call? Usually here we are getting 0. Or
quotient.
is it that quotient? Dear, that is the answer we are getting on the top. After subtraction, what we are getting down?
Reminder.
Reminder. What we are getting?
Reminder.
Reminder. The what is remaining? Remains. What a number that remains is called reminder. Ah,
Ma'am, I only joined now.
yes, dear. We have discussed 6 questions. I'll send this answer in the WhatsApp, my dear. Now we can continue. Try to answer yourself and you can check from the WhatsApp. Okay.
Ma'am, we discussed the homework question.
Wait. Last, I will ask you the answer. Okay. Now, Vedika, read question number 7.
Represent the dividend, divisor, and quotient using symbols.
Ah,
The
symbol.
symbol
Division symbol and equal to is called a
and equal to is called a dash fact.
what fact? What fact? Division fact or multiplication fact?
Division fact.
Division fact. So all of you write Division. Division. Good. Next question to Sweden. Please read next question. Question number 8. Are you reading, my dear? Read.
We get two division facts from a dash fact.
From which fact? Usually we will find out division facts from which one? If word is given, we can write like that. Sorry, please mute your audio, my dear. Student, do you know?
Yes.
I'm asking Sweden. I'm asking Sweden. Others, sorry?
Ma'am, I know.
Wait. Sweden, do you know answer? Yes, Catherine. Tell me the answer.
Multiplication fact.
Multiplication fact. Sweden, it is multiplication fact. From a given multiplication fact, we can write division fact. So, all of you write multiplication. Here I don't have space, so I'll be writing here the answer. Multiplication. Multiplication fact. This is the answer. Now, 9th question.
Ma'am, I only joined now.
Yes, dear, we are discussing now workbook problems. Now, question number 9.
Ninth question.
Yes. Shri Rugda, read question number 9.
Multiplication, multiplication and dash are reverse operations.
Ah, multiplication
Division.
and division. 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 Very good, dear. Now, other, please unmute and read next question. 10th question.
Tenth question.
Louder, please.
Tenth question.
Yes, 10th question.
Write the dividend and the quotient from the
Hmm.
division fact.
Ah, from the division fact. 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. In that, which is the dividend?
6.
Sorry?
6.
No, dear. That is the divisor. The first number, the total number of objects will be the dividend. That is 24. Okay. The total number of object or the first number will be the dividend. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, which is
Excuse
the
me, ma'am.
quotient?
4.
4. Quotient is 4.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, for that eighth question, we get two division facts from a multiplication fact.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
you have cut that fact.
Because I don't have space over there. That's why I cut and return. Okay.
So, ma'am, we have to write.
No, you can write
Fact.
in the same space.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now, question number 11. Other, you can mute your audio. Very good. Adidev, MB. Please
Yes,
read question
ma'am.
number 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Write the multiplicand and product from the division fact.
hmm,
48 divided by
hmm.
6 equal 8.
Ah. When we
Mut-
write this 48 divided by 6, which will be the product?
48.
I told you product will be the dividend in division fact. Whatever we are getting as the product in multiplication fact, that will be we are writing the writing as the
Hidden.
dividend in division fact. So here product will be
Ma'am, I told that
48.
one day.
very good.
The second.
Product will not product. They are asked. Yes, product will be 48.
48.
Next is multiplicand. Multiplicand will be 6.
6.
So product will be 48.
Multiplicand will be 6.
Multiplicand will be 6. Product equal to 48. Multiplicand is equal to 6.
Multiplicand can also be 8.
Sorry?
Multiplicand can also be 8.
Yes. Because 6 8s are 8 6 are same now. So it can be 8 also. Now, next question to Adira. Please read the next question. Azad, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adira. Continue. Question number 2.
Write division facts for the multiplication fact.
7 3s are 21. We have to write the 2 division facts. Which are the division facts from that?
21 into 7 equal to 3.
Sorry, 21.
21 divided by 3 equals to 7.
Very good. One more.
21 divided by 7 equals to 3.
Yes, very good. Now, Azad. Next question. Unmute and read more. Unmute and read, my dear. Okay.
Show the multiplication fact for 5 into 2 equals 10 on the number line.
Yes. That means we have to do skip counting by 2 5 times. Skip counting by 2. So, we are starting from 0. Here you have to jump to the second number. Which is the second number? 1, 2. Next, where we will reach? To which number we will reach? Azad? Sorry?
4.
4. Next?
6.
6. Next?
8.
8. Then, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth jump is to 10.
10.
So you have to show. I will draw 1 second so it will be more clear to you. 1, 2, 4, 6. Like so, we have done 5 jumps by 2 and we reach 10. Only you have to draw like this. Aditri, I can't see you, my dear.
1, 2, 3, 4 in
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, that after the question there is a solution.
Which one? Question
So
number
you have
12.
to write any. No,
Which one?
ma'am. On 13th one.
See, you have to draw this, show this jumping on the number line. That is the solution. Because they already given the answer also. We only want to show the multiplication on number line. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
That means 5 times you have to do the skip counting by 2.
Excuse me, ma'am. Next question can I do?
Ah, yes. Do. Advaita, sit properly. I can't. Oh, yes. I can't see you. That's why. Yes, yes. Now it's okay. Ah, yes, dear. Catherine. Catherine, are you reading? Next question.
Ma'am, I can read 5.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I can read
Your voice is not at all audible to me. My dear, speak little more louder. Catherine. My dear, are you reading? Catherine.
Ma'am, can I read?
Wait. Mayasa got chance, no, my dear.
Yes. Ma'am, I can read.
Wait. What happened to Catherine? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Joanne. Read.
I'm not Joanne. Ma'am,
Ah,
show the multiplication fact for 3 into 5 equal to 15 on the
Yes.
number line.
Here, we have to do the skip counting by
By
5 3 times.
3.
So skip counting by 5 3 times means we have to start from 0. Where we will
5.
reach if you are doing skip
5.
counting by 5?
5.
5. 0 plus 5, 5.
5.
From 5, where we will
10.
reach?
10.
10. So 1, 2. Now third skipping. Where we will
15.
reach? 15. So we will reach 15. 3 skip counting we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
You can draw arrows. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. UN 15th question.
Show the reverse operation of multiplication and division using a number line. Use 2 into 5 is equal to 10 as multiplication fact.
My dear children, you have to do like this. In the first number line, you have to show 2 into 5 equal to 10. And in the next number line, you have to show 10 divided by 5 is equal to how much? That you have to find out.
2.
Okay. That you have to show using number line.
Okay, ma'am.
So 2 into 5 is equal to 10 means you have to do skip counting by
2.
no. 2 into 5 means 2 times 5. That means you have to do skip counting by 5
5.
2
5.
times.
2 times.
Okay. You have to do skip counting by 5 2 times. So we can start from 0. From 0, 0 plus 5.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Where were you, my dear?
Ma'am, we have to write that. Ma'am, we have to write the 2 into 5 is equal.
Yes.
Can?
Yes, you can write. After the doing this, you can write down 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Then 5 plus 5, we will get 10. So we have done 2 skip counting and we reach 10.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that I have a network issue. That's why my
That's why
network
I
going.
understood that. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10 you have to write.
Ma'am, it will be 10 into
2 into 5 is equal
5.
to 10. Next, we have to show 10 divided by 2 is equal to. To divide 10 divided by 2 is equal to, we have to start from, 10 divided by 5 is equal to. To divide 10 divided by 5, you have to start from which number? Which is the dividend?
10.
10.
10.
And we have to do the skip counting by 5 till we reach 0. So skip counting, backwards counting, backward jumping. So from 10, which is the fifth number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Yes. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where we reached?
0.
How many
And the answer
skipping
is
we
2.
have done?
And 2. And the question is 2.
Yes, 2 skip counting. So the answer is 2. This is the way you have to do.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 16th
Yes.
question 8, can I?
Who is this canine?
Ma'am, Catherine.
Catherine. Yes, Catherine. Read.
Write 2 division facts for each of the given multiplication facts.
Yes.
A. 2 into 8 is equal to 16.
Yes, that one do yourself. Everybody write it now. For that question, everybody write 2 division facts from the given multiplication. Wait, let others write. After that, you can say answer. Let others write.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I write two facts.
Wait. Let others write.
I finished that already.
Yes, Catherine. Tell the answers.
Ma'am, first one is 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2.
Yes, very good. Next one.
16 divided by 2 is equal to 8.
Very good. Correct answer. B, C, D. You have to do as homework. Very easy. So you can do as a homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you all do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. I want Advaita to read. Advaita. Have you completed, my dear? This division fact? Have you written now? Write it. Write it, my dear. Only question A you have to write now. Okay. Have you understood, my dear, how division fact is writing? Division facts are writing? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Have you completed now?
Ma'am, I finished the full.
Very good.
Me
Completed.
too.
Advaita can read question number 17.
Ma'am, can I read?
14.
Those who haven't, wait dear. Those who haven't got chance, I will give you chance in the next class. Don't worry. Okay.
Ma'am,
So 17th question,
ma'am,
Advaita,
I
please
also
read.
completed everything.
Very good.
Now,
Advaita, read.
14
Hmm.
books are
Arranged
arranged
equally on two shelves.
shelves. How many books are there on each shelf?
Yes, each shelf. So in how many books are there total? 14 books are there. So you can write the first step. Number of books. All of you write. Sorry?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah,
Equal to 14.
And will be 7.
yes, 14 divided by 2 is equal to.
So
Wait,
should
wait.
we do CDMSB?
No, because 14 is already coming in the table of 2. So you need not do all the steps. Okay. Now, number of books is equal to 14. How many shelves are there? 2 shelves.
2 shells.
So, number of shelves is equal to 2. And what we have to find out? How many books are there on each shelf? So, Joy, are you writing?
14.
So, number of books in on each shelf that you have to find.
14 divided by
Number of
2.
books on each shelf. So total 14 books are there. There are 2 shelves. You have to arrange equally these books equally among these 2 shelves. So 14 should be divided into 2 equal groups. That means 14 divided by 2.
Divided by 2.
You can check the table of 2. You can see 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. If you are continuing like this,
Okay, ma'am. We can
when we will get 14?
When 7
7
divided by
2 is equal to
7
14. From this, you
Excuse
can
me,
write
14 divided by 2 is
14
12.
40
divided by
divided by 2 is equal,
is equal to
divided by 2 is
7.
equal to
7.
10.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write that full step here.
No need to write the full table. If you don't know the table only, you want to write like this. Otherwise, you can
Ma'am,
write.
I did not ask about that.
Then,
Ma'am, I was asking about that. We have to do that dividation.
sorry,
She is
CDMSB.
asking
That
that
steps
she
you are
is
asking.
using
Yes.
No need to do, because if which all numbers coming exactly on the table, you don't want to check for these steps. Here 14 is coming. 14 is coming directly on the table of 2, so you can avoid that steps. Okay, so you have to check whether the dividend is coming in the table of divisor. Here 2 is the divisor, 14 is the dividend. 14 is coming in the table of 2. So it will be easy for you. You know how to write division fact from the given multiplication fact. So it will be easy for you to divide. No need to follow all these steps. It is
Okay,
not
ma'am.
coming only, you want to follow all these steps. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
we can wind up today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And the homework answers I will be sending in the WhatsApp. Please
Thank
check
you,
your
ma'am. Bye,
answer.
ma'am.
And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. Okay?
Bye.
Bye,
Can
my
I
dear
see the
children.
answer
Those who
now?
haven't get chance to
Can
say
I see
answer
the
today,
answer now?
Thank you.
I will be giving chance in the next class. Okay? So thank you, my dear
Excuse me,
children.
ma'am. Can I
Bye.
see the
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.